Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Sean Herb, making a house into a home. Today we are doing a wreath, a Christmas wreath. I bought one from Hobby Lobby about a month ago. It was in my Christmas haul, and I figured it wasn't really gonna work the way I wanted to work, the look that I was going for. But I was gonna spruce it up. I was gonna put some juice on it and put it up, but it wasn't gonna work the way I want it to work. So what I'm doing today is I'm gonna create my own using Dollar Tree and fur, that Dollar Tree items and fur that I found from Hobby Lobby, and an old wreath that I already had, but it's outdated. I'm gonna spruce it up and make it look good. So y'all come and go with me on this journey as I do this wreath. I haven't put together one to show you how it is. This is my first time, so we're gonna experience this together. So I don't know what I'm doing. I've seen some do it, so I'm just gonna dive in and I'm gonna show you guys what items I'm using as I go along. So thank you for coming back. For your new subscribers, welcome, welcome, welcome. For my old friends, thank you for coming back and staying with me, being patient with me through this journey, and I love you all. So without further ado, let's get this thing started. So I'm gonna move the camera down so you can see what I'm working with. Okay, the old handy dandy Dollar Tree foam. This fur that I got from Hobby Lobby, it was just $4. I got this Dollar Tree ribbon ornament, Christmas ornament, and it's an old wreath that I had. So we're gonna get this thing started. Put this back, set this up. So you guys can see. And also, of course, I'm using the glue gun. So let's see how we're gonna do this. Okay, I'm gonna take this old wreath of mine. I'm gonna cut all the stuff off of it so I can redo it. Take all the wreath, the stuff off of here. All right, I took some bling wrap. Trying to see, I don't want to make it too much going on. Not too much going on in this right here, but I put one of these bowls out right here. What you guys think so far? I had some bling wrap around, and so I added some to it. So this is the first part. Take it and go around the edges and hot glue it in so it'll stay put. In case I need, I don't know. Let's see. And hot glue it in. Okay, so I got this all spruced out. Got it in there. Okay, we'll take this one we just did. Let me see. Turn around this way before I glue it in. What it look like so far. Okay. And hot glue this in. Okay. Okay. Just sit there, put some pressure on the floor for a few seconds and see what it's gonna do. Looks like it's gonna be kind of cute. So far, so good. make a complete circle. So